lower than you want, and you are wondering how people improve it fast without doing anything risky. This video is for you and explain that what actually works and what does not. Credit scores can feel confusing, especially when you see different advice anywhere online. Some people promise instant results, but in reality, improving your credit score is about smart actions, not shortcuts. So today, I will explain practical ways to improve your credit score as quickly as possible, especially if you are in the United States and just getting started. Uh, this video is for educational purposes only. First, understand what affects your credit score. Before fixing anything, you need to know what matters most. In simple terms, your credit score is mainly influenced by payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, new credit activity. You do not need to memorize percentages, just remember this. Late payments and high balance hurt the fastest. Um, the second part is pay on time. This is non-negotiable. The fastest positive signal you can send is on time payments. Even one missed payment can drop your score. Will While consistent on-time payments slowly rebuild trust. If you can set up automatic payments reminder, this alone can start improving your score within a few months. Um, the third part is lower your credit card's balance. This is one of the quickest improvements beginners can make. Credit utilizations means how much of your available credit you are using. Using too much, even if you pay on time, can lower your score. Simple rule. Try to keep usage bill below your total limit. You do not have to pay everything off at once. Even a small balance reduction can help. The fourth part is do not open too many new accounts. A common mistake is applying for multiple cards or loan, hoping it improves your score. In reality, too many applications in a short time can hurt. Each new accounts need time to help. Um, if you are improving your credit, post new applications and focus on um, managing what you already have. The fifth part is check your credit report. Sometimes your score is low because of is not bad behavior. You should review your credit report to check for incorrect late payments. Accounts that are not yours are all negative items that should be removed. Fixing mistakes will not make your score perfect overnight, but it removes unnecessary damage. The sixth part is a realistic, fast improvements mindset. Um, here's the honest truth: most people do not hear. First, encourage terms usually means weeks to a few months, not days. But if you pay on time, lower balance, so avoid new debit, stay consistent. You can start seeing improvements sooner than you accept. Um, improving your credit score is not about tricks, about your habits that send the right signals over time. Now, I want to ask you, what do you think hurts the people credit scores the most, late payment or balance? Um, Share your thoughts in the comments. So, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.